What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another crazy day here in the world of crypto. So as we speak right now, the overall market seems to be taking a little bit of a dip. We can see here pretty much everything apart from Lunar Classic is down. Lunar Classic still somehow is up 13%, so it's nice looking, but I wanted to quickly make a video to tell you what I think might be coming into the market right now. So if you do check over on the Bitcoin chart, we can see the lines that I drew here. This was a line here that I thought would be a pretty big buying zone, and as we can see here, if we do zoom in closer to that, we can see we pretty much bounced off exactly that line that I was expecting. So if you wanted to get into a pretty ballsy trade, something that you could do is open along here. I wouldn't be doing that because that'd be pretty risky in a market like this, but it's definitely an option here. Of course, if we did bounce off there, I would think that potentially we could reach as high as 20,500 before we see any real lines of resistance. So if you did want to open up a trade, one of the exchanges that I personally use is Binance. They are partners here on the channel. They have an awesome bonus of up to $600 right now down there in my description, and these bonuses aren't going to last very long, so I definitely suggest grabbing them up while you still can. But Binance has pretty much everything you need, along with a lot of liquidity, which is the most important thing in this market right now. So if you do want to sign up, the link's down there. I suggest getting yourself a Binance account to make the best of this market volatility. But really right now, we had a super fast decline in the price of Bitcoin over the last hour or so, moving down about, what is that, 4% in about an hour. This is today, but we did see a big move. If I just move this over to, let's give that the hourly chart here, and we can see here this big drop here. So what was that? In an hour, we got a decrease of 4%. Pretty incredible stuff. Now, I do think that this is going to fall over into Terra Classic right now because the market is most likely going to get scared. Of course, it's not guaranteed, but I would expect there to be some turbulence coming in now, with Terra Classic still up quite significantly right now. If the market does start to get fearful, I do think that's going to affect the price. So do pay attention to that. The volume today still up 75% on the day at 2.5 billion with a B. 2.5 billion in volume. If we had that 1.2% tax burn in place for everything, including the centralized exchanges, it would be huge. But of course, we still need to wait for that to come into place. We got the 1.2% burn coming in on the 15th of September. So that's going to be a big catalyst. But still, right now, it's not on the centralized exchanges. So that's what we need really for this to do a lot of burning, which is what people are hoping. If we do check out the Lunar Classic chart here, we are seeing some red coming in the 4 hour. If we do head over to the smaller time frame here, the 1 hour, we can see a little bit, but nothing has really affected it too much now. I would expect us to come down to retest this 0.0035 mark potentially. That again could be an opportunity for us to see a move. Something like that would be perfectly fine, right? That would be a good move, even down as low as coming down to around these lines here and pumping up would still give us those higher highs and higher lows, which is what we're looking for to continue the uptrend. But I do want to make this video to remind you guys that there is a lot of volatility coming. At any moment, the market can drop like we've just seen. 4% on Bitcoin in an hour is an incredible amount of money to be moving around, right? The overall fear and greed index still sitting at a 22. So again, the market is in extreme fear. Overall, it's more likely that we head downwards in Bitcoin and the larger cap altcoins. And if that happens, of course, I do believe it's going to affect Terra Classic. We also have this meeting coming on the 13th of September. Oh, sorry, that's the 13th of September here. So that gives us around 7 days from now until then. Then on the 15th, we have the good news with the burn tax coming into place. But we also have the Ethereum merge, which may be a buy the rumor, sell the event. Buy the rumor, sell the news. And also that same logic could be applied to the burn that's happening on Terra Classic. So we may be seeing these huge runs now, and people may start to take a significant amount of profit going forward. So pay attention to that closely. Do whatever it is you need to do to protect your downside. Remember, here on the channel, we are burning the revenue that this channel makes on Google AdSense. So $1,834 already, which is wild. That's a wild amount of money to be making on our very first month of ever being monetized. So if you do want to help out the channel and the Lunar Classic burn, leave a comment down there in the comment section, smash the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, because it's really going to help, right? That's really going to help. And remember, if we do head over to the audience tab, we can see that only 23% of you guys are subscribed. So come on, you got a second right now, smash that subscribe button. Hopefully I provided you with some value, and I will see you guys in the next video.